Good day, this is Kevin at Sierra Classic Sports Car, and I'm here with our 1958 Austin Healey 106 BN4, which is now live on Bring a Trailer, and I'd like to do a quick cold start video. See the about 86 degrees on the exhaust. The floor of our space here is similar. This car has not been started, but we're going to start it now. And we're going to do this in one take. Let's crawl into here. Make sure we are in neutral. Key is on. Fuel pump spools up. Let's give it a start. See, oil pressure is rising. It's really good. Temp's cold. Tachometer works. Fuel gauge works. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your interest in this beautiful car. And please, if you have any questions about it this week, just hit us through Contact Seller, post up a comment, any of these things. And thank you for watching.